center console organizer for the 2014 and newer Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra pickup trucks. And in this kit you get 4 pieces that you can see. These 3 here are the same, and then this piece here is the main piece that goes left to right in the console. Best thing to do is build it on the table, and what we're going to do is take the center piece and interlock it with the pieces that go front to back. You want this notch here to face up, so slide those together, push it down until you hear it bottom out. Do the same thing with that notch up in all 3 positions. And once you have it together, it acts as one piece. And what we're going to have to do is move it into the console, and we're going to have to flex it because of the different pieces that we have to get underneath. So take it towards the console, and when we get it over here, all 3 of these pieces need to kind of flex to the side. Don't worry, they'll bounce back once you get them in. Push it down in, and you'll go underneath these 2 side pieces, and you'll go underneath this bin here, and you can see it moving into shape just like that. So then you'll just move everything front to back and align it back into its square shape like that. And what you're going to find is once it's in there, you can't lift it up and down because it's locked under this bin here, and then it contacts all 4 walls. And when it contacts all 4 walls in there, it's going to stay in position and not rattle around. So now it's in there and ready to put things back in the console.